What's up everyone? Get ready for an adventure because today, we're diving headfirst into a travel challenge unlike any other. Today, I'm taking on the ultimate challenge, a true test of endurance and travel savvy. I will be surviving a 15-hour flight. Yes, you heard that right, 15 hours in the air. And to make things even more interesting, I'm doing it in the absolute worst economy seat, the seat that nobody wants. The dreaded middle with no recline, adding insult to injury, and to top it all off, I'm positioned right by the bathroom. Wish me luck. To prepare for this ordeal, I've spent a month gathering the best survival tips and tricks I could find. I've consulted with flight attendants, pilots, and pro travelers, soaking up their wisdom like a sponge. Now I'm putting the top 14 hacks to the test, to see what actually works and what's just a myth. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn even the worst seat imaginable into a surprisingly comfortable and even enjoyable ride. We'll cover seat selection strategies, how to combat jet lag, and everything else you need to survive and thrive on your next long-haul flight. So let's jump right in and make your next flight not just bearable, but a breeze. First up, seat selection. It's more important than you might think for a comfortable journey. You have more control than you think. Don't just settle for what's automatically assigned. Use Seat Guru to check your plane's layout. It's a game changer for informed decisions. And spot the best and worst seats. Red flags for cramped spaces, green lights for extra legroom. Set an alarm for 24 hours before your flight. This is your secret weapon, to grab any newly available seats. People often change their plans, opening up better options. If you're still stuck, politely ask the gate agent for a better spot. A little kindness can go a long way. Sometimes you'll score an upgrade for free. It never hurts to ask, right? For this video, I asked for the worst seat, just to show you the contrast, but you don't have to. A little research and kindness combined with a proactive approach can save you from a nightmare seat. Fly smarter, not harder. Comfort is king. My flight uniform, soft joggers, a cotton tee and layers. Planes are unpredictable. 1 minute you're sweating, the next you're freezing. A zip-up hoodie is perfect for quick adjustments and doubles as a pillow or blanket. Slip-on shoes and compression socks keep your feet happy and healthy. Ditch the jeans and tight shoes, trust me. This outfit is all about flexibility and comfort for the long haul. Dress smart, fly happy. Sleep is absolutely everything when you're facing a long flight. It can be the difference between arriving refreshed and ready to go, or feeling completely drained and struggling to adjust to your destination. So, here are my absolute essentials for creating a comfortable sleep environment even when you're miles up in the air. First, a real neck pillow. Forget those flimsy inflatable ones. Next, a compact travel blanket. Airplane blankets are often thin and not always the cleanest. And finally, a blackout eye mask. This is non-negotiable for blocking out distractions. Here's a pro tip. Turn your pillow around for chin support. This will give you much-needed support and no more embarrassing head bobbing. Bring your own blanket for an extra layer of warmth and comfort. Trust me, you'll appreciate having it. A contoured eye mask is essential because it completely blocks out all light, creating a sense of darkness that signals to your brain that it's time to rest. It works wonders, even if your neighbor insists on reading with their overhead light on full blast. Combining these 3 items creates a mini sleep sanctuary, a personal oasis of calm amidst the chaos of air travel. It helps you feel relaxed and comfortable, even in the worst seat imaginable. Quality rest is absolutely possible, even on a cramped flight. You just have to come prepared with the right tools. This is how you win at economy class sleep and arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and ready to explore. Hydration is your best friend at 35,000 feet. Plain air is drier than the desert, so I aim for at least 8 ounces of water per hour. Skip the caffeine and alcohol, stick to water. Bring a big reusable water bottle and ask the crew to fill it up. Yes, you'll visit the bathroom more, but that's actually good for circulation. Staying hydrated fights jet lag and keeps you feeling fresh. Airplane food? Hard pass. I packed my own healthy snacks, nuts, fruit, protein bars, and a sandwich. This keeps my energy up and avoids that heavy, bloated feeling. Eating on my own schedule means no more hangry moments. Control your food, control your mood. It's a simple switch that makes a huge difference. Your stomach will thank you. Sitting for hours is rough, so I move every hour. Walk the aisle, stretch in the galley, and do simple exercises like calf raises and neck rolls. Even in your seat, keep your body moving. I even tried a few yoga poses in the aisle, just be considerate of others. Movement prevents stiffness and keeps your energy up. Don't be shy, your body will thank you when you land. Airplane noise is relentless. My solution? Noise-canceling headphones. They create a bubble of silence, making it easy to relax or sleep. If you're on a budget, foam earplugs work too. I tested both with a decibel meter. Headphones win, but earplugs help. Silence is a game changer for comfort. Block out the chaos, find your peace. It's the closest you'll get to first class in economy. Don't rely on the in-flight entertainment. Download your own movies, shows, podcasts, and playlists before you fly. I loaded up my devices with more content than I could possibly watch. Bring a book or magazine for screen breaks. Having options makes the hours fly by. Be your own entertainment director. A little prep turns a boring flight into a movie marathon. Your phone is your lifeline, don't let it die. Bring a fully charged power bank that can recharge your devices multiple times. Don't count on the plane's USB ports, they're often slow or broken. Keep all your gadgets powered for movies, music, and staying connected. A good power bank is a must-have for any traveler. Stay charged, stay entertained. Airplanes aren't as clean as they look. I wipe down my tray table, armrests, seatbelt, and screen with antibacterial wipes as soon as I sit down. Hand sanitizer is always within reach. These quick habits keep germs at bay and help you arrive healthy. Create your own clean zone in the sky. It's a small step for peace of mind. Jet lag doesn't have to ruin your trip. Change your watch and phone to your destination's time as soon as you board. Sleep or stay awake based on your new time zone, not the airline's schedule. Use light. Open the window for daytime, eye mask for night. Adjusting early helps you land feeling refreshed. Reset your body clock before you even arrive. An organized carry-on is a game changer. Use pouches and packing cubes to keep essentials, headphones, snacks, charger, within easy reach. Put your in-flight kit in the seat back pocket. No more rummaging or disturbing your neighbors. Organization reduces stress and keeps you in control. A tidy bag equals a calm mind. 2 tiny items make a huge difference. Lip balm and saline nasal spray. Dry air means chapped lips and dry sinuses. These keep you comfortable and healthy. They take up no space but add major comfort. Don't underestimate the little things. Add them to your kit for a smoother flight. Small details, big impact. The final tip is free, mindset. Stay patient and positive even when things go wrong. Focus on what you can control and let go of the rest. Treat the flight as time to relax, not just endure. Kindness to crew and fellow passengers goes a long way. A good attitude is the ultimate travel upgrade. 15 hours, 1 gallon of water, and 14 pro tips later, I survived the worst seat in economy. With the right prep and mindset, you can too. Share your best travel hacks in the comments below. Smash that like button and subscribe for more wild travel challenges. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. See you in the next one.